Today I'm going to show you my airsoft gun collection. So starting off over here with the spring pistols, I have a spring Colt 25, a Walmart pistol, HFC P99, another Walmart pistol, a UHC 1911, and a UHC spring revolver. And then over here at spring rifles, I just have a spring shotgun, Walmart, and a shell-fed tri-shot shotgun right there. And then over here with the gas pistols, I've got a UHC gas revolver and two WE Glocks. The one on the bottom is a Glock 17 and the one on the top is a Glock 18C. And then up here to AEGs, I have this M4 here. It's mostly plastic. I think it's made by Sima or something like that. Up here I have my CQB M4. It has a silencer, a grip, and I'm not sure the actual name of this gun. Then on up, we have a Cybergun Thompson, I believe it is. It's a pretty good gun. And then above that I have a King Arms Tommy gun. And then above that I have a AGM M16 A3. And I have an Echo 1 ST6. That's one of my primaries. And then right there I have a GMP Magpul M4. And then here I have a Classic Army M249 saw. So that's pretty much it for my airsoft guns. I might be making another video soon of my gear and everything that I use. So that's it for now.